Something's different.
Something's missing.
Is it sky?
Fish and chips.
Are you
Horrible!
You look to be a bit
Horrible!
No.
do. Lots of people get
Horrible!
That's your
computer.
hungry comes from your
My brother,
Off me.
but your
granddad,
it must have to be
fantastic.
What's that?
Wait, what?
You don't want to go and eat a snack like that.
greedy to eat all that. You'll end up with your teeth all green.
Green is not a creative colour. Do.
Do it healthy.
Don't touch me!
What?
A little baby pigeon talking.
What? Let's get healthy now. Body is like a special house with
Blood. My hair.
organs in the different rooms. Oh look, there's Mr. Bladder in the basement. What? Now
Father Christmas.
comes in through the chimney and goes from room to room, greeting the different organs.
Hello!
Now, the good healthy food is very nice and polite to the organs, and so is invited to stay for a party. But the bad, not healthy foods are very rude and must leave through the chimney and flap.
Rude.
That doesn't make sense.
Do be healthy.
Hello?
What's that? A tasty snack. You don't want to go and eat a snack like that.
Greedy to eat all that, you'll end up with your gums all ground.
But something's
Different.
Ugly. How do we know which ones are the healthy
Fantastic.
foods to eat?
Well, that's easy. The food groups can easily be sorted using the simple health shape, choosing normal, plain-looking foods such as bread, cream, sauce, and aspic keep the body ticking over just nicely. Isn't that right?
I need to go.
Oh, wait! What's this?
Fancy show-offy foods like cooked meats,
Just a little bit of fruit salad.
oil foods, and
Rackus.
these foods will clog up the body with unnecessary detail. Oh no! Look, it's all broken and on the floor.
Everything tastes great.
Horrible.
Maybe we should
Horrible.
wait before we put it on the
Horrible.
plate. Or it could be too
Horrible.
What's that? A pizza slice? But you're better off with plain white sauce.
What's that? Plain white sauce? Plain white sauce makes your teeth go
blue. Doesn't matter. Just throw it away.
Horrible.
Why not try something else
Horrible.
on your tray?
Oh, what's that? A lovely pie? But you're gonna end up
Dying.
inside. Lovely pie?
Sad inside.
But everyone has the teeth go grey.
Horrible.
Just eat yeast and it'll go away.
Horrible.
But how much have you had today? Too much yeast makes your teeth go. That wasn't onion paste. You shouldn't eat food from a
Horrible. Fridge. Fridge.